If you are a person who likes to take notes while studying, this is a chance for you to get all the PDF files of the videos that I have created on this channel. It's so simple, just click on the link under this video and get access to these files. Wait, I'm not done yet. You will also get any future PDF files of the videos I will create. Having these files will make it easier for you to listen to the lesson and take notes at the same time. At the time of recording this video, you have around 27 PDF files. Don't forget, you will also receive new PDF files whenever a video is uploaded to this channel. This is a lifetime access. Get these files for only $9. All you have to do is click on the link in the description box below.